Established in 2015, Paragon Traffic Management Ltd have quickly become a strategic partner to our clients throughout the United Kingdom. Paragon provide a client-centric service with strong sector experience. We offer safe, competent, trusted and professional traffic management services to a variety of sectors, including local authorities, highways, utilities, telecommunications, events and more. We continuously invest time and training into employees, developing a highly motivated and highly skilled customer-focused workforce. And our operational teams are always happy to help. We provide a 24-hour service, so no matter the time of day, Paragon are always on hand to help. Responsive, flexible and pragmatic, we collaborate extensively with all of our clients to ensure they are able to undertake any work quickly, efficiently and most importantly, safely. Whatever your sector, whatever the needs of your site, contact Paragon Traffic Management Ltd today. Safety by choice, not chance.